You can bring any design to life by adding the right text effect. Glow, 3D extrusions, metal grunge, and fabric textures are just some of the features you can add to your text to enhance your design. Creating the perfect text style can take you hours, or you can do it with just a few clicks with any of the templates included in our list of the 10 best text effects for Photoshop for 2022. All the text effects in this video are available from Envato Elements, a subscription-based library that gives you access to millions of assets like fonts, logo templates, product mockups, and everything in between to help you deliver your projects at the highest level. Find the link in the description below. Number 10. Vintage Text Effects Volume 3 by Zeppelin Graphics. Taking a different spin on retro, this bundle features 8 vintage styles that will take you back in time with a cheery script typeface and halftone backgrounds that give each design a pop art aesthetic. Number 9. 33HQ Mixed Styles Pack by Designer Co. Use this pack to give your text or logo an industrial look in just a few seconds. This bundle includes 33 different styles like wood, fabric, leather, or metals. Download this pack and bring your text to life. Number 8. Holographic Text 10 PSD by Sco4. Holographic design has been a massive hit for several years, especially recently as Y2K aesthetics have begun to re-emerge. Join the trend with the effects included in this pack. Simply place your design into the smart object placeholders and turn your layer into stunning 3D text with shimmering color gradients. Number 7. Burn Baby Burn Wood Burning FX Kit by Design Panoply. A text burned on a wooden surface always gives the impression of elegance and authority. This bundle features a high-resolution PSD template with 10 realistic wood backgrounds ready to burn your text in with just one click. Number 6. Marvelous Vintage Comics Bundle by Pixel Buddha Graphic. DC, Marvel, Imagine Comics, no matter the publisher, we have all been amazed by the achievements of our favorite superhero. And this bundle will not only give your text the look of a vintage comic title, but it also includes everything you need to recreate the aesthetic that cartoonists like Jack Kirby or Vin Sullivan popularized in the 40s. If you're finding this roundup useful, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notifications bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Number 5. 3D Cartoon Text Effects by Zeppelin Graphics. The number 5 spot on this list is a friendly and lively 3D text pack. Bright colors, cartoon textures, and illustrated details will give your design an eye-catching, happy finish. Number 4. Neon Text Effects by Design Hattie. Turn your text, logo, and shapes into beautiful wired neon signs. This bundle includes backgrounds and is perfect for creating logos, banners, signboards, or titles. Everything within reach of a few simple clicks. Number 3. 80s Style Text Mockups version 2 by Designer Co. Go back in time and give your text or logo that 80s inspired look in minutes. Neon, gold, and 3D chrome effects will give your design a stunning and retro VHS cover aesthetic. Number 2. 3D Text Effects Volume 4 by Zeppelin Graphics. Take your text to a new level with this versatile pack that includes 10 PSD templates with stunning textures. Wood, glass, rock, gold, just to name a few, will take your design to the next level. Number 1. Game Logo Textiles by Design Hattie. With cheerful typefaces, cute backgrounds, and illustrated elements like buttons and slogan placeholders, this cheerful kit takes the number 1 spot on our list. Perfect for creating logos, titles, posters, or website banners, use these text effects to give your text a game interface aesthetic. We've come to the end of our top 10 best text effects for Photoshop for 2022. Let us know in the comments what your favorite item was. Don't forget to leave us a like, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notifications bell so you don't miss any of our videos. See you next time!